beneath the raging English Channel, where waves crash with unstoppable force. Engineers face the impossible.
This is the English Channel, the busiest shipping lane on Earth, and the site of one of the
We must hold this line across the deepest trench. Measure it, man.
22 miles, sir. It is a monumental undertaking, but it is possible.
We must finalize the terms regarding the Gibraltar border.
They are pushing too hard on this point, Minister. We should adjourn.
We will not be rushed on this matter.
The scale of the ambition was staggering. Here, at the end,
the composition of this layer suggests a major climate event.
I agree. The calcium carbonate levels are unusually high in the marl.
the key was the narrow 20-meter band of chalk marl, nestled between water-bearing rock above and unstable clay below.
Using advanced sonar technology, these vessels mapped the underwater terrain, searching for the optimal route.
This 60-meter deep circular pit near the French coast was the starting point for an impossible engineering feat, the Channel Tunnel.
The torque on the main bearing is steady at 95%.
We still need to monitor the wear on the center cutters closely during the next push.
Pressure holding steady. Begin rotation sequence now.
The pressure is spiking. We're almost at red line.
I'm adjusting the flow rate now. It's stabilizing.
Look at this, it's coming through.
Confirmed.
Logging is critical.
Keep the pressure steady. It's almost sealed.
We've got another breach at Section 12. Move, move, move!
This colossal machine, the tunnel boring machine, is our vanguard, relentlessly carving the path.
We've got a massive leak. Mayday, mayday! Section 4 is collapsing. We need immediate support.
To manage the sheer volume of spoil, engineers created this massive new land formation, permanently reshaping the coastline.
Reroute the next load to Sector Gamma immediately.
Confirmed. The seawall integrity is holding at 98%.
Pressure holding steady at 5 bar.
Acknowledged. Continue advance at 2 meters per hour.
The alignment on segment 52 is off by 3 millimeters.
I see it. Adjusting the prism now.
All right, bring her down to a crawl. Steady, steady. We're through. Look at that. Well done, gentlemen. Ah, formidable. We meet at last. We did it! After all these years, we finally connected the tunnels.
Buried deep beneath the seabed are the 3 bores of the Channel Tunnel, an engineering marvel connecting the UK and France.
The Channel Tunnel, a $15 billion engineering marvel, allows high-speed trains to travel smoothly beneath the seabed.
Ralentissez le levage. Confirmez la stabilité de la section 3.
Stabilité confirmée. Alignement bon.
We need those clamps secured on the upper section by 1600 hours.
Roger that. Almost done here.
A monumental achievement.
We have green across the board.
All right, signaling the surface. The fan is fully operational.
Pull it tighter on the left side. Okay, I've got it. Secure the bracket.
How is the temperature reading on Sector 4?
Holding steady. We are good to proceed.
These are the emergency cross passages connecting the main rail tunnels to the central service tunnel every 375 meters.
Deep beneath the waves, the Channel Tunnel relies on a network of redundant systems to ensure absolute safety.
This way, sir! Keep your head down! We're nearly out!
The three-tunnel design was revolutionary, allowing high-speed trains to pass safely beneath the channel, even in the worst conditions.
As the massive boring machines finish their work, the tunnel transitions from a gritty worksite to a modern marvel of engineering.
These massive vehicles are carefully maneuvered onto the custom-designed wagons for the journey under the sea.
Look at that one!
Wow, it's amazing.
The Channel Tunnel, an impossible engineering feat, cost $15 billion to construct, deep beneath the seabed.
Initially projected at $7 billion, the cost of the channel
Well done, mate! We actually did it! Bravo! It is finished!
Oh, thank heavens. We're almost there.
I can't believe we made it out. Look at that light.
Sector 4, air quality restored.
Roger that. Initiating system reset. All clear.
The completion of High Speed 1 revolutionized cross-channel travel, connecting London to the continent in record time.
This bridge is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. A triumph of ingenuity over nature.